The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for western Robertson County and Middle Tennessee, northern Cheatham County and Middle Tennessee, southeastern Montgomery County and Middle Tennessee, northeastern Dixon County and Middle Tennessee until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 12 miles northwest of White Bluff, or 14 miles north of Dixon, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Coopertown around 7:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Springfield and Greenbrier around 7:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Adams, Pleasant View, Cedar Hill, Cheatham Dam, Sladen, and Charlotte. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.